In this video, we're going to explore some of the AI features built into Zoom. Additionally, we're going to check out how to take meeting notes from directly within the platform. And we'll quickly review how to launch a transcript or turn on closed captioning live during a meeting. Welcome to the Accessibility Guide channel. My name is Sean Jordison, and let's jump into the ring. All right, whenever we make a new meeting and we launch our meeting within Zoom, it's pretty cool. There's a whole bunch of different options that we can do in here. So one that I wanted to go over was Zoom Docs. You can set up a new document, or you can share the document directly inside of Zoom. So I have a notes interface here within Zoom that I can start typing my own notes. And this is super easy to use and is a game changer for taking notes live during a meeting. You could then open it in a browser, or you can share it with other people. If I click the Docs button again, we can open up different documents, or we can do a co-edited document. We also have recommended templates. Let's just take this template one, and we're gonna do share in meeting. And now it pulls up this document that can be edited live during this meeting. It's a pretty fantastic tool for taking live notes on the fly. You can then close the document out or add additional comments as you see fit. We also have an AI companion built directly into the Zoom platform. Now, right now, Zoom's not actually listening to me because I'm using my YouTube recording software, but what we can do is ask it if our name was mentioned. Or we could ask it a slew of other questions if we joined late or maybe weren't completely paying attention in the meeting. You can use this AI companion to ask questions live on the fly to catch yourself back up. You can also set the restrictions on who can have access to the AI companion settings. And let's go ahead and close that out. Under the More tab, we have the ability to see a transcript. Let's go ahead and make a transcript. Again, Zoom isn't listening to me right now, so I can't view the transcript because it's not taking in any audio. However, we have the ability to do the transcript. We also have the ability to turn on captions or even use a new whiteboard. This is where you can do a whole bunch of cool stuff just on the fly. We can come in and add sticky notes. This is great for brainstorming with the team. Hello world. And you can point to it, you can upload files, you can really do a whole bunch of work together collaboratively with all of the participants in your group. Now, it's important that you note the actual interface of this content is not accessible, so be aware of that. But with that said, it's still a really cool feature. Let's go ahead and close out Zoom now. That concludes today's video on some interesting topics from within the Zoom video platform. If you want to find out more about how I can help you get accessible, take a look at the link in the description of this video. And as always, I could be your champion for inclusion. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.